In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Hostinger control panel in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or newly venturing into the digital space, knowing how to access your control panel is crucial for managing your online presence efficiently. Hostinger, renowned for its user-friendly interface, makes this process pretty straightforward. Let's dive in and explore the steps. First, you need to open a web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Simply type hostinger.ph into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This site is where you'll bring your ideas to life with a website. It's your gateway to launching and managing your online projects seamlessly. Once you've landed on the Hostinger homepage, look for the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that. Logging in is essential as it takes you closer to accessing your control panel where all the website management magic happens. It's always good practice to ensure your login credentials are correct and secure, so you might want to make use of a password manager for extra security and ease. After you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to the hPanel, Hostinger's custom-built hosting control panel. hPanel is designed to be intuitive and is filled with a plethora of tools to aid in your web hosting activities. Familiarize yourself with its layout to make your navigation smoother in the future. Next, draw your attention to the Hosting tab. Clicking this will provide you with an overview of your hosting accounts. This section is where you can see a list of your hosted domains and easily manage them. Hostinger hosts a multitude of features under this tab, ensuring that all your website needs are met with just a few clicks. Now find the Manage button next to the domain you wish to access. Clicking on Manage offers you a dashboard view tailored to managing the specific details and settings of that domain. Every change you might need to make, from file management to databases, starts here in the Manage section. Finally, click on the Overview option. This step provides you with a comprehensive snapshot of your hosting account, including website performance metrics, resource usage, and other critical details. It's a fantastic way to keep an eye on how your website is performing and identify any areas that might need improvement. And just like that, you've reached your Hostinger control panel, ready to manage and optimize your website. This straightforward process empowers you to confidently maintain your online space, ensuring your website runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and now go ahead and explore all the other great features that Hostinger has to offer.